Today, I'm going to show you a complete beginner's guide of the Amazon Smart Plug 2024. I'm going to show you some of my favorite tips, tricks, and hidden features allowing you to leave this video as an Amazon Smart Plug 2024 expert. Let's get started. So we can see on the front of the packaging here we have a picture of the device. It's got the smart plug, the Amazon, and the Works with Alexa logo. And then on the side here, it's got some information about what kind of device it is, the barcodes and serial numbers. And then it lets us know what it does on the back. With the Amazon Smart Plug, it works with Alexa, so you can set different routines and you can turn things on and off using Alexa. So it's really simple. You just plug it in and open the Alexa app to get started, which we'll do in a second. It lets us know what's in the box. And that's it. So let's go ahead and peel the top strap off right here and open this up and plug it in and set it up on our app. So we can just go here and peel this off just like that. And then we can open it up. And this is what it looks like inside. It has a little arrow and you just pull it out. And inside the box here we've got some paperwork. You got the smart plug, all the instructions and safety information and regulation paperwork. And then you've got the smart plug. Get to know your smart plug. It's got some LED indicators on it. So a solid blue means that the device is on. The blue blinking means it's ready for setup. Blue rapid blinking means setup is in process. Red blinking means there's no network connection or setup has timed out. And off, the device is off. So we can go ahead and set up our Alexa and our smart plug device right here. So
I'm having trouble hearing. Can you say that again?
Never mind. So we use the wake word. We said that word and she started listening to us. So it wants us to remove this before use. So all we have to do here is just lift up and take the covering off just like that. And this is our smart plug. You plug in your lamp or your light or your charger or whatever you want to remotely control. You just plug it into here and you plug the other end into your outlet, your wall outlet. And here's the LED light and here's a button. So I'm going to go ahead and clear the table here. And on this power brick I've got a charger for my iPhone. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. And I'm going to go ahead and plug in the smart plug just like this. So now the smart plug is plugged in successfully. We've got some power there. There's a blue blinking indicator light letting us know that it's ready to be set up. So now we'll go ahead and open the Alexa app on our phones. So you may need to search the App Store on your phone to find the Alexa app. And just open it up and boot it up for the very first time. And you can go into your App Store. I'll show you what this looks like when we open up the App Store on our iPhone. We can go over to the search component over here and then tap the search bar and type in Alexa. Just like this. And then Amazon Alexa, that's the app that we need. So you'll download this app to your phone if you don't have it already. And then once it's downloaded, you'll open it up and sign in with Alexa. So I've signed in with Alexa. It wants to know how to pronounce my name. I'll go ahead and hit the play button there and we can hear it. And it plays my name there. And then it sounds good. I'll go ahead and say nailed it. So your profile is ready. We can allow notifications if we want. I'll go ahead and hit cancel on that. And it wants us to add profiles for family. So you go through the whole setup process of getting your Alexa app good to go. And once you're all set up and logged in here, we'll be able to add the smart plug to our Alexa family and set various different routines and processes for it. So this is taking a little bit to load here. If you ever get to a point where you're stuck in the process and you want to restart, you can always swipe up to restart. So here it looks like we can add additional profiles for our family. I'm just going to say we can say that's everyone. and then we're all good to go. Alexa is ready to assist your family. So we'll hit done, and our home app will pop open. So we've got, some activity sections here and favorites. Now that we've got the Alexa app downloaded onto our phone, we're going to go ahead and add a new device to it by pressing this plus button in the top right. We press that and it asks us what do we want to add. And we can go here and scroll and say we want to add a device because it's a plug, so that's a physical device. We'll add that and then we'll press device and it will load up the device features here. So as you can see right now on our screen, there's absolutely nothing loaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swipe up and I'm going to force quit the app and reopen the app just like that. And we'll get a fresh start and be able to try this again. So we'll go ahead and hit the plus button, device, and now the options pop up and we're good to go. So now I'm going to select plug. It's an Amazon plug, and then we'll say yes to camera access. The plug is powered on. So now it wants us to locate the 2D barcode shown for your plug. So that's on the back of the instruction manual here for the smart plug. So we'll go ahead and scan that code. Looking for your Amazon plug, make sure the device is powered on. So the device is powered on, it's plugged into the power brick. We're good to go there, and it is searching for it right now. So this may take a minute here as it searches for the plug on the Wi-Fi network. Check out today's sponsor, Rakuten, where you can get a $30 bonus today when you sign up using the link in the description, appfind.org/Rakuten. You can shop at your favorite stores with over 3,500 stores to check out, and you install the plugin, create an account on Rakuten, and earn cash back today. It's really cool that you can come here and get paid to shop, and of course you can earn your $30 bonus today using the link in the description. This helps out the AppFind channel a lot, so check out today's sponsor, Rakuten, using the link appfind.org/Rakuten. So after we go through that setup process there, we can see that we can control your Amazon smart plug right here on the network. And this happened automatically. I didn't have to do any setup process for this. We can see that the device is on. I can turn it off just like this and press the power button and turn the plug off. So really cool that it's connected to the internet there and that it's wirelessly networked. But I can come in here, I can plug up something like an iPhone charger, and we can go ahead and plug in the iPhone charger, and you can see that it's charging just like that. So it starts charging. Really cool software that they've embedded for us right here. So we can see whether the plug is on, whether the plug is off, what it looks like. All right, so let's take an overview really quick. You can see when you tap on plugs, you can open up all the plugs that are currently set up under your Amazon profile. So it's loading here, and I'm noticing that it does take a bit of while to process everything. This should happen instantly, but for some reason we tap on plugs and we're just sitting with the waiting screen. So we can try this one more time. We tap on plugs and it continues to wait. So I'm gonna swipe up, close the app, and reopen and try this one more time. Plugs, and now our plugs are there. So now we can see all of our plugs. Sometimes the app is very buggy and you have to reset it. So if I want to turn on this plug, I just tap it. And now to remember, we plugged in the Wi-Fi connected smart plug, and then we turned on the charger. We plugged in the charger into it, and this charger is plugged up to this iPhone. So when I turn this power button on, it charges this iPhone just like that. So really cool software. We can come over here, we can create a routine. And then with our routines, we just press this plus button and we can tell it to create a routine. Say I want this iPhone to be charged every morning at 9 a.m. Then we can put together a routine that does that. So it's got the loading symbol. We can see the Alexa app. Definitely, this could be a Wi-Fi connection issue or server related issue, but it's just loading for some reason instead of instantly loading and letting us set a routine. So I'm going to scroll back to the previous step here and try this one more time. I'm just going to press the plus button and it continues to load for us. curious what will happen. This is one of those things where you kind of need to be on Wi-Fi. But if we turn off Wi-Fi temporarily, we can see what happens. I would love to be able to show you more with the smart plug, but I've not been able to successfully get the Amazon Alexa app to work and collaborate with it. There should be one cool feature. We do have a Echo over here. I should be able to say, turn off the smart plug. This thing is named First Plug. So I'm going to try that and see if it works. Right now, we have the iPhone charger plugged into the smart plug, and it is charging the iPhone right here. Alexa, turn off First Plug.
Okay.
And just like that, you can see the smart plug is turned off. So it is connected to the network, but whenever I try to access anything within the Alexa app, like I really wanted to show you a cool feature where you can do routines, where you click on the plug, but this loading screen is taking forever. It sometimes works, it sometimes doesn't work. But it looks like I can say, Alexa, turn on First Plug. Let's try that one more time. Alexa, turn on the first plug.
Okay. Also, I found a routine that plays ESPN radio in the morning to start your day. Do you want to try it?
No, thank you.
No problem.
I would love to create a routine within the Alexa app that automatically charges my iPhone, which is totally doable, but not when we're stuck with a loading screen like this on the Alexa app. But theoretically, you would go into the plug section, you would select your plug, and you would be able to create a new routine. We can also go to more over here. We can go to routines, and it brings up all the various different routines in their gallery along with our routines that we already have set. So if a device detects motion, even when I click onto this routine, it just gives me the loading screen, and I've tried multiple options right here, but it's not allowing me to successfully do this at all. So that is, I guess, one bummer in this beginner's guide, because as a beginner, I've not been able to set this up successfully. So that's kind of been my experience here in the beginner's guide with this smart plug. I don't think it's the smart plug itself. I think it's the Alexa app, and I've tried it on Wi-Fi. I've tried it off of Wi-Fi. I've tried turning off my virtual private network. I've tried multiple options here to get this to work successfully, and I've had no major success in it, other than the fact that we can use Alexa to turn off the plug. So let's try that one more time. Alexa, turn off first plug.
Okay.
And just like that, it stops charging. So really cool that it is connected to Alexa in that perspective, but I'm not able to do any of the advanced cool features. Want to promote your business in front of tech enthusiasts? You can sponsor AppFind to get a shout out on a video or even your own dedicated video. To learn more, see our rate card and request a sponsorship. You can click our link in the description to Passion Fruit to learn more and inquire about a sponsorship. This has been an almost complete beginner's guide of the smart plug. We were able to unbox it. It automatically connects it to our network, and then we were able to use Alexa and an Echo device to turn off and on the smart plug. If you have a better connection with your Alexa app, then theoretically you can come in here and add routines to it too, and make this an even more powerful device to automatically turn on the lights, or automatically turn on the charger, or automatically turn on the fan whenever you need to. All you have to do is just go into more routines, and if it will load, hopefully it loads for you, it's not loading for me, then you'll be able to come in here and add some pretty advanced routines. You can see some previous routines that we already have set up in Alexa. So thanks for watching today's complete beginner's guide on the Amazon Smart Plug. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let us know what your favorite feature of the Smart Plug is in the comments below, or if you got it to work or not. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to figure out when we release our next technology video. Thanks for watching.